Our next chapter is combustion and flame. That is chapter 6. Now, first of all, we will study what are combustible substances. The substances which can be burnt are called combustible substances, like wood, paper, and LPG gas. All these are combustible substances which can be burnt. So, substances which burns in air to produce heat and light are called combustible substances. So, वो सब्सटेंस जिनको हम एयर की प्रेजेंस में जला सकते हैं, जो कि जलकर हीट और लाइट प्रोड्यूस करते हैं, उन्हें आप बोलते हैं कंबस्टिबल सब्सटेंसेस. सो सब्सटेंसेस विच बर्न्स इन एयर टू प्रोड्यूस हीट एंड लाइट आर कॉल्ड कंबस्टिबल सब्सटेंसेस. लाइक एग्जाम्पल वुड, कोल, charcoal, kerosene, petrol, diesel, liquefied petroleum gas, compressed natural gas, all these are combustible substances. Wood, coal, liquid petroleum gas, kerosene, all these are combustible substances. Now, what is combustion? As you know that the substances which can be burnt are called combustible substances. Now, the process of burning is called combustion. The process of burning is called combustion itself. Okay. So, the chemical process in which a substance reacts with oxygen to produce heat is called combustion. When we performed activity of burning of magnesium wire, we have discussed that any substance cannot be burnt in absence of air or absence of oxygen. So, if we are burning a substance, then it means that we are treating that substance with oxygen. So, the chemical process in which a substance reacts with oxygen to produce heat is called combustion. So, simply the process of burning is called combustion. The substance which undergoes combustion is called a combustible substance, as we discussed in the previous slide. It is also called a fuel. And the combustible substance, the substance which can be burnt easily, are called combustible substance, and these substances are also known as fuels. Sometimes light is also produced during combustion, either as a flame or as a glow. So, when a substance undergoes combustion, light is also produced sometimes. Air is necessary for combustion. As we know that in absence of oxygen, no substance can be burnt. So, air is a must thing to combustion to take place. Okay. Now, so what we have studied in this, that the chemical process in which वो प्रोसेस जिसके अंदर किसी भी सब्सटेंस को ऑक्सीजन की प्रेजेंस में जलाने पर हीट निकलती है, लाइट निकलती है, उसे आप बोलते हैं कंबस्शन. और जो सब्सटेंस को हम इजीली जला सकते हैं उन्हें आप बोलते हैं कंबस्टिबल सब्सटेंसेस. और कंबस्टिबल सब्सटेंसेस को अपन फ्यूल भी कहते हैं. और कंबस्शन के अंदर लाइट एंड हीट बोथ आर प्रोड्यूस्ड. एंड एयर इज द नेसेसरी फॉर कंबस्शन, एंड विदाउट एयर वी कैन नॉट बर्न एनी काइंड ऑफ सब्सटेंस. So, this is combustion.